Hi, everybody. This dog right here, named Rory, looks just like Chance. There are some fucked up people in this world. What kind of bullshit is that? What's this guy looking for? I got a cop with his lights on, shining his bright ass lights down the street. What's up, Bubba? It's just Rory and I in the car right now. I don't know what that douchebag wants. This live stream is just to bring awareness about Chance. So check our community posts. Chance was shot in the head, stuffed into a garbage bag, and dumped on the side of the road in Grand Bay, Alabama, while he was still breathing. Fortunately, passers-by found him, called the sheriff's department. Wags and Whiskers in this have also put reward money up. So the reward now stands $7,900 for information leading to a conviction. Please go to like, leave your comments out there to we're that long that we will post a story about Chance this weekend. So I need all internet sleuths to join in and help us find whoever did Chance. Because he had a chance. He was still breathing. When they took the x-ray, they found the bullet in his head. So I'm going to continue to go live as often as I can to get this out there. Rory and I are taking a little trip to the local Walmart. We've got to stop and check on a friend